Cameron just saved the day? Albert. Hi.
Hey. I don't know. I sure hope so.
It's a nice hook set. Ooh, yeah, I like those bobs. This fool almost fell out of the boat. That was a hook set. Oh yeah, dude, that's him. Look at him hang.
Oh yeah, that's him, baby.
He's probably got a lot left in him.
Yeah.
How big that thing look? 50s? I only saw the back. Can I have you hold this? If you get bit, just go ahead and drop it. I need more footage of me. Oh, watch the swim step.
Wow, look at that.
All right, Dave.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Oh. Tebow. There
Yeah.
you go. Very nice.
Yeah, baby. That's what's up. Yeah.
All right, guys. All right, man.
Yeah. Good job, Albert.
Oh, didn't do nothing. This is awesome.
That's what's up. That's what's up.
That's a nice hook set, dude.
Good job. Thanks, Maddie. That was a beautiful hook set, man. Ah, yes. See, that, it looked like that hook was kind of